channel, me and my dad do all things RC, such as tips, tricks, reviews, upgrades, unboxings, run videos, and so much more. So if you're new around here, consider subscribing. Okay guys, so today I will be teaching you guys another Traxxas ESC programming tip. Coming up. Did you guys know that your Traxxas truck comes with 3 different throttle settings? And those 3 different throttle settings is Sport, Race, and Beginner. Sport is your default setting from the factory. It has 100% throttle, 100% brake, and 100% reverse. So Race is 100% forward, 100% stop, and no reverse. Beginner mode, also known as trainer mode, is 50% forwards, 50% reverse, and 100% brake. Beginner mode is for inexperienced or younger people. So for example, if I hand my remote over to my 5-year-old nephew, I would probably put it in beginner mode. That way he doesn't wreck the truck, hurt somebody, give somebody a broken leg, or something like that. So I will be using my sister's truck as an example today. You want to turn your transmitter on, and then you want to hold the button down, and once it goes red, keep holding it, and then it'll blink once, and once it blinks once, if you want it in sport mode, let go. If you want it in race mode, let go at 2 blinks. If you want it in beginner mode, let go at 3 blinks. Remember guys, you just let go of the button after how many blinks you want. Remember, sport is 1 blink, race is 2 blinks, and trainer beginning is 3 blinks. Okay? So, I hope you guys liked this video, and I hope it was also entertaining, and it also helped you guys out. And if it was, make sure you hit that like button, and also subscribe, and hit that notification bell right beside the subscribe button. That way you don't miss out on any videos. Till next time, get out and play. See you guys later.
So my sister's Traxxas Stampede is the example I'm using today.
So my
Trister's is Trister.
So my Trister.
3, 2.
So my Traxxas Stampede is gonna
Try that. I might. Okay, go.
Sister, not Trister.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. 3, 2. You don't have to tap. I was just kidding. Whatever. Do whatever you want. 3, 2. I'm not a beauty channel, but hey, look at my hair.
Pretty good.
Maybe
hey?
I should start a beauty channel?
Yeah. My hair's so beautiful.
3,
okay.
2. You remember what you were saying? Yeah, you do. Okay, go.
Daddy, coming up.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, guys.
Coming up.
So today I want to talk about my hair. I'm just kidding, guys.
Beautiful. So I'm coming up about my hair. Okay. So beginner mode is used for people that are new to the trucks or
Go again.